Hey everybody, so this is a pocket letter that I'm working on. It's for my Facebook group. So the event is angels. So I am not a religious person, so I'm not doing a religious pocket letter. So this one is just, pretty images that I found online. There's some nice quotes that aren't religious. They don't mention God or anything. So yeah, there's pretty cool images on there. So I went with blue and purple, my two colors. I got some sayings here. It's a black and white one. That's very pretty. So I got statue angels and like art angels. That one's almost fairy-ish. A little bit more fairy-ish than angels, but I just really liked it. And this is the back so far. Statues, and I got some wings. Some quotes. There's the back. So this is the back. So when I put my items in it, it's going to cover the back pictures, but I was hoping like when they slide things out, they'll see the images on the back, which is cool. So these pockets are actually pretty tight because once you don't tape in there, they're pretty tight pockets. So yeah, that is what I got so far. Also online, I found this cool feathers. So for angel feathers. So it's, I googled it and I just happened to pop up because I was looking for angel wings. And this popped up on the image section. And it tells you if you find a feather and it's one of these colors, what it means. So if you find a white one, it means, this. And if you find pink, it means this. And if you find, all the different colors, right? What they mean. Personally, I always, found white or brown, but I never, or black, but I never found like a colored one. So yeah, so I found this cool page. Maybe if you Google her name, it might pop up. Just go to a website. I just found this on images. I didn't dig too farther into it. So I thought this is cool to include with my angel pocket letter. And then I remembered that I had feathers. Found them at the dollar store a while ago and I just put them away. So I found a blue and a purple and thought, oh, I'll include this sheet of information about feathers, colors, and I'll include the feathers. So then I included some beads. And I thought, oh, okay. It turned into a bracelet, so it fits me. So hopefully it'll fit the person I send it to. Just colors match. I added a piece of tape right here. Finished it up. So I got the feathers, made a bracelet. And then on the back, I found these cool stickers online. So this is Rise and Shine. They're very cheerful stickers. And then I found these really cool die cuts. It's in one of my haul videos. So I included some of them. Some of them are really big. They're really big die cuts. I got those from Amazon. So I put them in the bags. And then I found these cool little foam stickers, little flowers, little peace sign, angels, peace. Sparkly stickers. More stickers there. I included a nice tea. My gem stickers. I bought a lot of these gem stickers. So yeah, so that's what it looks like so far. I think it looks pretty good. I like it. I'm happy with it. Oh, that's going to slide off. Good thing I did that flip test. So I'm going to tie that on a little bit better. I'll maybe put it on its own separate string. And then just loop it onto here. So yeah. So that's what my... Oh, also, I have these sparkle glitter glitter sparkles, and I had a bunch of butterflies, so I made a butterfly pocket. So I'll include that with it. I'm not sure if I'm going to include anything else right now, but yeah, so I think it's generally done. I have to design a little card for my letter, but yeah. So this is my angel pocket letter, the pocket of butterflies, bracelet, these cool feathers. And I like this printout. I'll show you that again so you see the information. Yeah, I didn't go into the website. I just came up on images and I just printed it. So I don't know if it's angely, spiritually, or religious website. I don't know. I didn't go into it. So if you click on it and find it's a full-blown religious website, that's just what it is. I didn't check it out. So yeah, I think it's pretty good. I'm happy with it. So yeah, I just gotta do a letter card and secure this bracelet, and I think it's good to go. I'm happy with it. So yeah, so that is my angel pocket letter for Facebook, and later.